Your wife was locked in the bathroom.
Yes, she got locked in the bathroom, and unfortunately I wasn't around, so she called a neighbor.
Alrighty, I am.
Come over and undo the doorknob.
What did you walk into when you came home from work?
Oh, she wasn't, well, even before I got home.
Hold on just a second. I'm taking a video of the squirrel getting onto my squirrel proof feeder.
So that she could take the hinges off the door so that she can get out of the bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
So I was a bit, I was a little bit in trouble that day.
I bet you
Oh,
just even when you think of this duct tape solution.
Well, first off, I want to know, are you wearing a belt or duct tape around your neck? That's the first thing. All right. How about today?
All right, clearly, we're going to call you right now, since we just started, we call you the master of disaster with duct tape.
Videoing, so it's picking up my voice. Hold on.
That's what I'm looking
This
for.
is too funny.
The first thing we're going to do is we're going to do something really simple. A lot of people have loose tiles at home that are coming off.
He's,
You don't need to hire a
yeah.
contractor or a specialist to put it back on. They make ready-made pin set.
Okay.
You buy it at the store.
All right.